Hello, my name's Anne Baxter and I live in Devon, and today we are going to talk about making my lovely Christmas quilt here, which is like a scrap quilt, and I've called it Glad Tidings. Now I've used a palette of scrap fabric here. It's not overtly Christmas, but it has a sort of Christmas flavour to it. And essentially these blocks, I've sort of manipulated the sizes to them, but they are, as you can see, this is the block here. It's a monkey wrench or churn dash, depends which. It's got two different names. So it's a monkey wrench or churn dash block, which I've increased the size of the centre square so that it can accommodate a star or a little Christmas tree like that, so I can applique onto the top. So I've just manipulated the sizes.